which best represents the graph. And they give you an equation, and we have a rational equation. Now, one of the first things that you want to make sure is that you factor your numerator and your denominator to see if we can simplify it. So we're going to have x minus 3, nothing to do there. On the denominator, we have a trinomial, so we can use double parentheses. Factors of x squared will give you x and x. Factors of 6 will be 6 and 1 or 3 and 2. I'm going to use 2 and 3. 1 negative, 1 positive, and they need to add up to a negative 1, so this will be a positive and that'll be a negative. That gives you x squared. Negative 3x plus 2x is negative 1x minus 6. If you notice, your x minus 3 cancels. So we are going to end up with an x plus 2 on the denominator. There's nothing left in the numerator, so we're going to have a 1. So there's a few things I need to remember. That whenever your exponent, the highest exponent is on the denominator, your horizontal asymptote is going to be y equal to 0. That's when your exponent, your biggest exponent is on the denominator. In this case, there's a 1 in here. There's no exponent here. So your y-intercept should be 0. Your horizontal asymptote should be at 0. And they all match in this case. Your vertical asymptote is determined whenever your denominator becomes 0. So you need to think, what value for x will make this denominator 0? X equal to negative 2. Remember, you can also place x plus 2 equal to 0, move the 2 to the right, becomes a negative. So at negative 2, so therefore A is not your answer, since we only have one vertical asymptote, not 2. And B can be your answer. C cannot be your answer because we only have one vertical asymptote and not 2. And in this case, not D. So therefore your answer is B.